We are pleased to show you 2021 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, alloy wheels, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, anti-lock braking system. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.